Over the last few years, I've easily spent $500 on paper planners. And the upsetting part is that most of them are only half used, and that's if they're lucky. I have three or four of them that literally never got used after I looked at them. So I asked myself, why weren't these planners working for me? Was it their size, their layout, the contents of the pages? What was it? Well, I realized that I was adapting to whatever was in that particular paper planner. And most of the time, I didn't fit into their preset mold. So I've created a new system called Perfect Planner. And essentially, it's a Subway restaurant for planners. You tell us what you want, and we'll build it for you. To see if others were experiencing what I was, I conducted user interviews with people who used some sort of planning system. Most were paper planning people, but some were also digital planning people. Each of the users had tried multiple systems, and several were still exploring new types of planning systems every few months. Originally, I believed that people would want to use a digital app to plan. And in this app, they could create any sort of layout, use any sort of page, have total freedom and customization. However, all but one user reported that they wanted a paper planner. They cited reasons like texture and not wanting to be sucked into their digital device as reasons for why they wanted paper. To create a solution, I developed research-based personas and identified what my solution must absolutely have to meet the needs of the users. From there, the user flows helped me see how users would reach their goal. Conducting card sorting exercises with several people laid the foundation for a navigation structure, but several iterations were needed before this could be finalized. I began sketching very quick wireframes and entered a cycle of rapid prototyping with paper. Users reported that the general idea for the website was there, but the system did not feel cohesive and consistent enough. Even though the look was a bit off, people were still really excited for this solution. And after receiving all of this feedback, I began crafting digital wireframes. Let's take a look at what we're working with right now. Most users will land on the home page, where the large banner image has the call to action button. This design uses a Z pattern where users start viewing a website in the upper left-hand corner and zigzag around before landing here. One of the first realizations from the user interviews was that customers needed to understand what they want and need in a planner. So, I've developed a page that prompts users to think about this. If customers take the quiz, options are pre-selected for them, but these options and features can be removed and they can add new other ones that they like too. This step is really where the beauty starts to be seen in the Perfect Planner. Once the selections are made, customers enter the Planner Builder to organize the layout of their planners. With useful features and an autosave option, customers will feel comfortable that they can build exactly what they want, and when they're done, they can preview their planners. Once the purchase is complete, customers land on a confirmation page that also tells them about our community. This is a place where customers can connect to share inspiration, designs, advice with each other. This solution, Perfect Planner, has a lot of potential to make people very happy. The uniqueness of the system is exquisite. There is literally nothing else like it on the market right now. Perfect Planner truly allows a user to develop a unique, customized planner exactly for them. It is something for the user, made by the user with the help of our system. Thank you for listening to my story. I'm excited to see what Perfect Planner can do to help others.